videoing.
Okay, so I'm going to use Mr. Glue to repair this shoe. As you can see, it's nicely undone. And it is happened like this because my wife was walking in the sun. It was very, very hot in Los Angeles, and the glue just melted off. So what we're doing is we're applying a good amount of Mr. Glue to the sole, to the rubber part of the shoe. Okay, that's a good amount. Let's see how we do. Push it down from this side. We've got a napkin down in here so that it soaks up any excess that comes off. Should have it reaching the, curing at right about now. Ooh, look at that. Looks like it cured on every part that was touching. I needed to actually push it down a little bit further. But everywhere that it was touching worked perfectly. So what I'm going to do is apply a little bit more on the edge. And then I'm just going to squeeze it right here. Ooh, look at that. Looking even better. Still got that side part right there though. I think that's about all we need. So look, before and after is pretty awesome. Alright, true test will be if my wife walks around and still works.